Greetings, the Astro 30 here yet again, and welcome back to AEL. Now I've got a short little video here for you today. The other day I did something really stupid. This $169 worth power transformer toroidal that I got from Ultronics last year. So it was sitting in this Ultronics box here, right? And it was sitting on the right hand side here where this JLC PCB box is. There's a video coming up about that soon. So I decided to pick up the box by the left hand side, and with the transformer being on the right hand side and the weight of it, this edge started to rip. It went down towards the ground because of gravity, and the transformer fell out the box upside down on top of its wiring. So I want to now test this transformer on my dim bulb just to make sure that I haven't completely damaged it, like shorted a winding on the secondary or something stupid like that. I don't think I did. It only fell from a distance of about a foot. So yeah. So that's what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to hook this up to the dim bulb, probably connect it to the power supply that it powers, and just make sure that the thing still functions. Alright, I got the power transformer hooked up to the power supply that it normally supplies and hooked into the dim bulb. Dim bulb is not bypassed. So I'll turn it on. No, it looks absolutely fine. And then went the relay. Okay, so I haven't killed the transformer, or else we would have seen the dim bulb light up a little bit brighter than that. The power supply seems to be functioning. Just to verify, I'm going to hook up a multimeter to the output across the VEE and VCC lines respectively, and we'll just see what the output voltage is. So according to my multimeter, 97 volts, should be closer to 100, but if I bypass the dim bulb, we should see that climb up a little bit closer to the 100 volts. So I can tell that the transformer is working fine. So I'm going to turn that off now. Let this be a lesson to you. Don't be lazy and try and, pick things that are heavy objects up awkwardly. Pick them up with both hands, because that could have been a very expensive mistake. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here. There's no intro, no outro, but thank you for watching.